ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai laha miet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Meiieid Kiba Maharashtra kelapan pau ke Jingshis Kmen bagi Jingshis Shabaro kelapau halor ke Jingja ke belajar Raja Raghuvanshi kini ke Meiieid ke Nong Naduh ke Sdang kelatip makim de ke Nong Meghalaya ke bele ya kan kakam namar bakatip bagi Nong Meghalaya ke di beri ke baha ke bayarap ke tourist ke bawan kai nabar namar baklalap daradihi ya kani hende ke Nong badan kini ke beri ke bepinthau beriai ke Meghalaya minta ke lashakem.
Hello, namaste, how are you all? I am today very, very happy. From the day first, I was telling that people of Meghalaya are very good, very calm, and today it is proven that Northeast, Meghalaya and Northeast is very safe to travel. See again, mind my words, from the day one, though there were so many people telling so many things, from day one I was telling it is so safe, people are so kind, so honest, so loving, and today I am very happy because it has been proved. Now, whether those people who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame, I am sure those who defamed Meghalaya will now remain mute in shame. Or I feel even that Meghalaya and all those who are supporting Meghalaya, we should file a defamation case against the parents or the administration of that concerned state who blamed and tarnished Meghalaya's image. But you are knowing always good is good, bad is bad. Though they told whatever, today it has proved now. All over the world is able to see what Meghalaya is and what is the Northeast. That is why from the beginning I was telling, because it was my personal experience. I was not telling just because someone told, no, I had personally visited. And that is why I know it is safe. No doubt there are what I can say waterfalls or valleys and all. That is why we have to take care of ourselves. Otherwise, people are very good, very safe. They are not criminals. They are helping. They are our own brothers and sisters. You are knowing Sonam, who was, you are knowing, missed for so many days. Today, police have been able to arrest her from UP. Again, hats off to Meghalaya police. I had done one video that no one should blame the police or the locals. Whether you remember it, see what I said has become true. That is why I am very happy today, because my second home I have called, and my brothers and sisters, they will feel proud today, and they should be. because simply we should not blame anyone without knowing them, without going there. Just no, it is not correct. That is why from that day, first I was telling, because I have experienced, at least the driver was there with us for 8 days, day and night he was with us. So we know what the people are. They are very good, again I am telling, very simple and very loving, very honest. And the environment is very good there. That type of environment, I will tell, it is a heaven. Because in the movies and all, you might have seen the heaven where the gods live, how everywhere there are clouds and all, the same type of atmosphere. That is why I call it heaven. And you never feel tired there because of the atmosphere. So the place is very good. Even my relatives, after I visited, many of my relatives visited there. My brother, sister-in-law, my friend. At least my friend went with her 2 daughters. Only 3 ladies went together on their own, means online booking and everything they had done. And they visited all the places and they came back safely. It is very safe place, and that is why it is proved. I was telling that God is there. God knows the truth, and the truth will come out. And even many of the people were doubting the wife, and see, the same thing happened. And blaming whom? Blaming my dear Meghalaya. You are doing all the nonsense, and blame is on the innocent people. But remember, God is there, because I believe in God. That is why the truth came out, and the wife has been arrested, and all the details we will know very soon. So, my dear friends, those who were blaming, even not only they were blaming Meghalaya, they were blaming me also, because I am supporting them. Why I used to support? Because I had seen, I know the people, and see, as I told you, my age helps me to understand the people who are fake and who are right. These people are really right people, very simple people, very loving people, very helpful. They will never do any criminal activities. I am sure about them. And my words are proved. That is why I request all the people of the world, I am telling people of the world, Meghalaya and Northeast, these states are really beautiful. Nature has given a lot of things. People are hardworking, because we go for 8 or 10 days and we enjoy and come back. But they live throughout the year, mountainous places, and that is why you are knowing. Hardworking people, they work hard, they earn their bread and butter, they don't harm anyone. On the contrary, they love the tourists, they help them. Even the poor ladies, those who sit on the roadside and sell the things, they too are so well behaved. They were able to speak in English and so loving. I have experienced it, because my granddaughter was there. She was small at that time. I might be 6 years old or something. So that lady was offering fruits to her. We told no, don't want, thank you, and afterwards we bought something from her. So this shows the nature of those people. So at least today, all of us are very happy, and we will celebrate that the truth has come out. Yes, the truth has come out. Now what about those people who were blaming, who were using unwanted words about this beautiful land? It is just like Switzerland. That is why, again, all of us, we should remember that unless and until we are clear, we have seen it with our eyes, we should not speak. Why from the first day itself, I was talking that Meghalaya is good, those people will not do it, because I had visited the place. I had the experience, with the personal experience, I was talking about it, and it has been proved. So I am very, very happy today. Have a good day.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.